Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to set up a Trump account for your child and claim the $1,000 government contribution? Here's exactly how to sign up from scratch. Takes about 5 minutes. Before you touch the app, the actual account election has to be filed first to the IRS from 4547, which you can complete at TrumpAccounts.gov or when you file your taxes. There's no cost to open an account. Your child must be under 18 with a valid social security number, and only child born between January 1st, 2025 and December 31st, 2028 qualify for the $1,000 Treasury contribution. Though any eligible child under 18 can have an account open, once your election is filed, download the Trump Accounts app from the App Store or Google Play, and then open it and enter the same email address that you've used on your IRS form. Once you enter your email, create a password for your account, and you can choose to turn on push notifications so you're alerted the moment things change. After this initial setup, you'll see a screen letting you from know you're in the queue. Since Treasury is activating accounts in waves through emails invites from no reply at the rate Trump accounts, Treasury.government leading up to the official July 4, 2026 launch. Once you receive that email, follow it to fully activate your child's account in the app. So all you've got to do is file IRS form 4547 first, download the app, and then verify your email and phone. Create a password, then wait for your activation invite sent by email. Subscribe for more Trump accounts guides.